Hi students, welcome to another video of Smartly Learn. In this video too, we'll continue to form a quadratic polynomial given zeros. Like the last video, here too the zeros are going to be an expression of irrational numbers. Let us look at the numerical. Find a quadratic polynomial whose zeros are 5 minus root 2 by 5 plus root 2 and 5 plus root 2 divided by 5 minus root 2. Let us note the zeros first. So this is 5 plus root 2 divided by 5 minus root 2. The other 0 is 5 minus root 2 divided by 5 plus root 2. So we know the general form of a quadratic equation in terms of alpha and beta is x squared minus of alpha plus beta x plus alpha beta. Now let's assign the values of alpha and betas and start calculating the addition and the product. So I'm going to take alpha as 5 plus root 2 divided by 5 minus root 2. The beta value is going to be 5 minus root 2 divided by 5 plus root 2. Now let's calculate alpha plus beta value, which is 5 plus root 2 divided by 5 minus root 2 plus 5 minus root 2 divided by 5 plus root 2. Now the denominators are not the same, which means I'm going to take LCM. So the LCM is product of these two things. So 5 minus root 2 into 5 plus root 2. As far as the numerator, this is going to be a cross multiplication. So this is 5 plus root 2 into 5 plus root 2. So that I make that as 5 plus root 2 the whole square. Similarly, 5 minus root 2 the whole square. Now, I'm going to calculate the denominator first. It is of the style a minus b into a plus b. So this is 5 square minus root 2 the whole square. So now let's calculate the numerator. See, numerator, this section of the numerator 5 plus root 2 the whole square looks of the format a plus b the whole square. So using the formula, I'm going to expand this particular section. So it is 5 square, which is 25, plus b square is root 2 the whole square, which is 2, plus 2ab. So 2 into 5 into root 2, which is 10 root 2. Now let's come to this part of the numerator, which is 5 minus root 2 the whole square. So again, I'm using the formula a minus b the whole square. So it is a square, which is 25, plus b square, which is root 2 the whole square. So 2 minus 2ab. So 2 into 5 into root 2, which is 10 root 2. Now I'm going to simplify the plus 10 root 2 and the minus 10 root 2. They vanish. So essentially it is 25 plus 2 plus 25 plus 2, making it 54 on the numerator. Now let's look at the denominator. A square is 25. 25 minus root 2 the whole square is 2. So it is 54 divided by 23. So that is the value of alpha plus beta. Now let us go on to calculate what is alpha beta values. So alpha beta values, it is going to be product. So it is 5 plus root 2, the whole thing divided by 5 minus root 2 into 5 minus root 2 divided by 5 plus root 2. I can strike this term and this term, this term and this term, and what remains is 1. Okay, please don't write it as 0 because this is cancellation multiplication. So alpha beta is just 1. Now let's substitute the values of alpha plus beta and alpha beta in the equation. So it is x squared minus of 54 by 23x plus 1. And we know we don't leave this in fraction form. So multiply every term by 23. So it is 23x squared minus 54x plus 23 is equal to 0. So this is the form of the quadratic equation. In the next video, we will try to form a quadratic polynomial or zeros are some functions of alpha and beta. See you in the next video. Please extend your support to me by subscribing to my channel Smartly Learn. You can also reach out to me through my website www.smartlylearn.in for more practice worksheets. Thank you. See you in the next video. Bye.